Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna see how to remove a Google account from Android phone. To access your email, contacts and calendar and get to apps from the Google Play Store, you can add accounts to your phone. When you add a Google account, info associated with that account automatically syncs with your phone. But when you remove an account, everything associated with that account is also deleted from your phone. This includes email, contacts, and settings. To remove a Google or other account from your phone, 1. Open your device's settings app. 2. Tap passwords and accounts. If you can't find accounts, tap users and accounts. 3. Under accounts, tap the account you want to remove and remove account. 4. To confirm, tap remove account and tap again remove account for confirmation. 5. This is the only Google account on the device. You'll need to enter your device's pattern, PIN or password for security. And that's it guys. It's easy as that, removing your Google account from your Android phone. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.